Advanced OOP concepts in C# 9.0. 1. Inheritance and its benefits. Inheritance is a core OOP concept in C# where a new class, derived class, can inherit properties and behaviors from an existing class, base class. Benefits of inheritance. Code reusability. Inheritance promotes reusing existing code. Extensibility. You can extend the functionality of base classes. Hierarchy. Create a logical hierarchy of classes for better organization. 2. Method overriding and abstract classes. Method overriding. This allows a derived class to provide a specific implementation of a method defined in the base class. Abstract classes. Abstract classes can't be instantiated, they serve as blueprints. They often contain abstract, unimplemented methods that derived classes must override. Benefits. Polymorphism. Method overriding enables polymorphism, where objects of different classes can be treated as instances of a common base class. Code structure. Abstract classes help define a common structure for derived classes. 3. Interfaces and their implementation. Interfaces are contracts specifying a set of methods and properties that implementing classes must provide. Benefits. Multiple inheritance. Classes can implement multiple interfaces, enabling multiple inheritance of behavior. Abstraction. Interfaces define a clear contract, promoting code modularity and separation of concerns. 4. Static and instance members. Static members. These belong to the class itself, not to any instance. They are accessible using the class name and are shared among all instances of the class. Instance members. These are associated with individual instances of a class and have different values for each instance. Benefits. Static members are used for class-level data and methods. Instance members store data specific to each object. Summary. Inheritance enables code reusability and hierarchy. Method overriding and abstract classes facilitate polymorphism and structured code. Interfaces define contracts for classes to implement, supporting multiple inheritance and abstraction. Static members are shared across all instances of a class, while instance members are specific to individual objects. Thanks for watching.